Let me show you what the ball looks like. This is, ooh, the spices. If you could just smell these spices in here. But, let's see. I'm doing a chuck roast in the slow cooker, and it says to add 3 pounds of beef chuck roast cut into 8 pieces or meat alternate. Pour in 2 cups of water. Place the instant bomb. Make sure the bomb is touching the water. Set on low for 8 hours or set on high for 6 hours. Stir after the first hour. You can put it in an Instant Pot, the slow cooker, stove. You can make tacos out of this seasoning. It's, oh, you can do a lot of stuff. I'm going to show you my roast over here in the pot that I'm cooking with it. Let's see if I can. There it is. And it smells so good. And I cut my chuck roast up into 8 pieces. So we gonna see what's what. But I'm gonna have some cream, spinach, and some choux peg corn with it. So, oh, it smells good. I can't wait to taste it and see what it tastes like. So, it's got 2 hours and 45 minutes left on it. There's the girl. Say hi to everybody, Piper. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Yeah, say I'm the pretty girl. Yeah, I'm the pretty girl. Yes, you are. You're the pretty girl. Yeah. You gonna come on here and sit next to Nana? There you go. Okay. Turn it back around. Y'all know I'm always getting into something. Always getting into something. That darn Beverly asking me questions and making me type. I know it. Carter Z, I'm guessing, Flip, have you tried it yet? It's like the app that's nothing like but a TikTok. Yeah, you do reviews mostly from Flip. But you can make some good, I hit the back, I'm sorry, y'all. You can make some good money on Flip once you learn. I'm learning the ropes. I can tell you when y'all get ready, really ready to get into it. This jewelry right here is Flip. Lord, I got so much in here from Flip. These bombs came from Flip. I got a frother. A frother over here. That's electric. It's from Flip. That you do your coffee or whatever you want to do. But I have several things started. You guys take care of yourself. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll see you, Lord's willing, on Thursday. Take care, Beverly. Be talking to you soon. Be talking to you soon too. I joined, but I haven't posted yet. All you have to, Lisa, all you have to do, flip How in the world I put up that green wall? Anyway,